Okay, I would like to talk about my first challenge, which is the calculator. And it already show on the screen, you can see that. And every function works well, like this. And something like that won't be happen. We'll show the error if you push the button twice time, like that. And the backspace will working well, like this. And there should be a dot button like that. Oh crap, let me do like this, right? And there's a Q button as well, Q button as well, like this. And let us go to the file, and this is my HTML file. It will be normal, it's easy one. And this is my JavaScript. I'm using a lot of variables as an indicator for some special function. As you can see, there should be 0 in the inputting area for the first time when you open the HTML file in the website. And AXX plus to TXT, and the first time when you push some numbers button, it will clean the 0, but it won't do that when you click the second time. When you click it, it won't clean the numbers. And next thing I think is important is this statement. It will find the dot and change the put the dot in the right place. And backspace should be simple, and using the length statement, just decrease, it will be done. Clean all should be right. And this is most important part, not most. Because when user type something like plus or manner, it will twice time it will show the error. So just like I using the ACC as an indicator to tell the computer whether the user type it twice time or the first time. The first time will keep going, but the second time it will go into an error using the if statement. And the most essential part, I think it should be the Q button, because it's really hard for me for the first time. I tried to modify the equal button to modify some part of it. It was running well, but I think it still will be better if I build another function. So I build two functions, which for one for equal and the other for Q mode. So this is the function, and the thing is, in the bench mode, that means Q button, it will put the result, it will show the result, and then it's not clean the result. That's the difference between the get the result function and the bench mode function. It will put the result into an variable to store it, and the next time it will using the result as the first number to get in the calculation. And I think that's the end of my challenge 1. So this is the second challenge I made. It's already be in the left screen. It is a registration system, and here
user can enter some their name, the username, password, email address, age, and there are several buttons over here. Just edit, like we can do something like plain black username, oh crap, and password, of course password, and email address. The interesting things in here is I can find out the email address, the format is email address or not, using the index of statement, and I have to use in the right way, like this. And we can create a user data already being registered, like, and we can change something like this. If I type something is not a number, it will show out the age is not a number. Let's type it again. That's like 122. Another thing is the username can be the same, because the system will check if the username is the same. So I have to change another one. Okay, it's there, should be the first one. The first formation I registered should be the second one. And I think I still need another one. How about name, www, username I need to change to another one. Okay, that should be right. Oh, come on. Nope. And age, right. Okay. And I can show the arrange age by alert. See the 66. And I can sort the data by name, like this. Name, the black will be the first one, and double will be the third one. And I can sort by age. Okay, the 23rd will be the first one, and the 122 will be the last one. Another function I think is here is, yeah, if I leave the input as blank, it will show something like this, show alert, must not be empty, and must be a number. That's 23rd. Oh, how about 54 is right. So people will see that 22 will be deleted like this, but this time 20 will be show up. So that's about my code. And let's move on to the files. And this is the CSS file, JavaScript file, and the HTML. I think the way I using is about, I put the object into the arrays. Array is the data, and object it should be here, data, to get the value from each input area and put into the data, and then put the object into array, and then show it on the screen. And there are several if statements to find out if the format is correct or not, like the same username, or the age, instead of it's not a number, it's the other things like text, and the email address, if there should be a ad or not, it will show the alert. So if you want to see the detail, you can go to the GitLab to see what's going on inside the code. And I think that's bring the end of my challenge 2. And this is the last challenge I already done. It's the shopping list on the left screen, and the title is the item you want to be created, like iPad description used, price should be 255, and can edit. And the iPad 4 should be 355. Yeah, there. I still can create another one. A Apple, like this, not used. Thrashed should be £1. And I can, and then I can add to the basket. And the basket is over there. I haven't built the CSS5 because I used to think that I don't need to build the CSS5, but I don't think if time is enough for me, I think I can build a good interface. But as I using this without a CSS5, so I add it to the basket. That is twice to, and then I can check out like this. Yes. The title, IPO, description, first, price 1, and oh, that's it. I think I can do a little bit better than this one. Change it. Alright, that's the, and it will check if you less than something, info must be not empty, something like that, like the previous challenge. So let's move on the code there. That's the HTML, and CSS is the blank. I haven't got time to down it, finish it. JavaScript is here. Is the same way like the challenge 2. I put the object into the array, but the difference between the last one and this one is I using Clojure in the basket object. Total will be the function, and the total price also will be the function, and using Clojure. And the other thing, like if statement to check the input is correct or not. And that's I think the most thing I want to demonstrate in. And if you want to see the detail, you go to my code in the GitLab. I will show it on the Moodle, and I think that's all of my challenges.